Sweet Peace reproduces the motion parents naturally use to soothe their baby. There are 3 cradling motions that create 3 distinct, fluid sensations, unlike traditional swings, which only produce a single motion. The cradle position replicates the soft, arcing motion of rocking your baby like this. See how the baby's whole body sways gently and smoothly. Changing the seat position changes the motion. To change the seat position, press the seat release button and lift the seat by its carry handles. Turn the seat and snap it back into the frame in the next position. This is the face-in position, with baby facing the tower. Notice how this creates a different motion. Baby's feet are more stationary and her head sways in a wide arc. For the face-out position, move the seat so it faces outward. In this position, baby's head is more stationary and her feet sway in a wider arc. Again, this creates a different sensation. You can also reverse the cradle position by facing the seat the opposite way, like this. This changes your baby's view and your view of her, depending on where you are in the room. Another way you can customize your baby's soothing motion is by controlling the speed, using the motion controls on the control panel. Here's the power button, surrounded by the buttons for speeds 1 through 6. Speed 1 is a short movement, like this. See how the seat just sways slightly back and forth. Speed 6 is a longer, more sweeping movement. By experimenting with the different positions and speeds, you can find the motion that is most soothing to your baby and her particular mood. Sweet Peace also has 3 recline positions. To change the recline angle, squeeze this brown lever on the seat back to release the seat lock and move the seat up or down. The full recline is great for naps. The center position is great for babies who've just eaten because being slightly upright makes them more comfortable as they're digesting. Older children may enjoy sitting fully upright so they can look around and see what's going on in the room. Sweet Peace even doubles as a floor rocker. Just take the seat off the frame, put it on the ground, and it rocks much like an infant car seat.